Hello and welcome to episode 4 of Packaging in 60 Seconds. I'm Cliff and I'm going to talk to you about some different Fefco styles. Start the timer. So here we have a standard 0201 style carton. We can do some very depth scores on these, which means we can cut down the sides, fold it over, make it a little bit smaller in height if we want to. Then we've got an 0203 style. These are fully overlapping flaps. It's really good for extra strength top and bottom, and also when you're cutting through, don't go to the right hand side. The next one I want to show you is an A427. So these are your econ boxes or pizza styles, people call them. These tuck in together. You can end up with a locking tab with some tape on those. Similar thing, but they're only self-seal strips, so you can just pull those off and stick them down. If you're in a bit more of a hurry, you can have a crash lock bottom, you just ping together. Or if you're in a real big hurry, crash lock bottom with a self-seal strip on the top, and again, one to return it. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our website, follow us on LinkedIn, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. And look out for the next episode of Packaging in 60 Seconds.